You like it? You wanna go look in the mirror?
Oh, yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you see, I'm going to be doing a protective style on my 5-year-old's hair. I did end up having to cut about maybe 3.5–4 inches off of her hair because it was just a little bit dry and brittle on the ends and quite a bit of split ends. So I decided to get rid of it. Health over length at all costs. So we're going to start doing box braids to help keep it protected and moisturized. That's one of the issues I've noticed is the moisturization on her hair. It's quite dry, so I decided to do this to help hold in some of that moisture. I no longer blow dry it. I was doing that, which probably most likely caused a lot of that dry brittleness on the end, so we're not going to do that for a while. But as you can see, she still has quite a bit of her length. Her hair is very thick. It's definitely 4C, 4B-ish. I'm not quite sure. I think it's more closer to 4C, but it's extremely thick. She's very tender-headed, and that's the brand of hair that I'm using. It's Queen Bee, and I'm showing you how I prep the hair so it won't be too long. And I honestly wanted them shorter than what they turned out, but she just wants to wear them in a ponytail, the up and a bun with a hair bow. That's going to be how we do it, while we definitely keep the moisture locked in there. So I'm going to be doing this from now until maybe it's November. I would say by summer I will see how her length is, but definitely in between we're going to be doing our deep conditioning. I did do a rice water rinse on her hair to help encourage that regrowth, and she also has eczema really bad that contributes to the scalp issues that she has. She has a lot of psoriasis and clusters of eczema, patches in her head, so I have to be careful. I use T-gel, Head and Shoulders, and things like that for that. And this is what we're going to be doing. I'm using about that much hair, and she did wiggle quite a bit, so this video will be kind of good and bad as far as the quality, because she would not be still. I had to keep repositioning the camera. She was trying to play, watch TV, and do all kind of Zion things, I should say. Eat, as you see. So the lighting will change, but I just wanted to share this because I thought it turned out so cute. So if you want to join our family and just watch what we do on a day-to-day basis, I do post vlogs and get ready with me, stay in a life type deals on my channel. But most is hair, beauty, and fashion, and also DIY. So hang around, join the family, thumbs up, like it, help us grow, and I definitely appreciate that. And I definitely will appreciate if you did that. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. And just enjoy the video. Look at the camera, babe.
Oh, what, Mom? That's what make my hair pretty right now.
Oh, where's this pirate treasure then?
No! Well, get it back and put it down.
Stop, babe.
Put it back and put it down.
You like your hair?
Yes.
You haven't even seen it yet.
Okay.
Say bye. See you later.
Bye, see you later. I love you. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, watch out for the woolly. Hey.
Look, turn around. Turn around, babe. Look at me. Turn around, look at mommy.
Hello, Angie. Hello,
Turn around.
Ellie.
You like it? You wanna go look in the mirror?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye. I love you.
Say thank you for watching my hair video.
Thank you to watch my hair video.
See you in the next